Hey guys, what's up?
Hey, is that a camera?
Yeah, I just got it.
Where'd you get that?
Oh, I got it from Best Buy.
Dude, put that away. We're gonna play frisbee or something sometime.
Oh.
What'd you get it for?
I
Wait,
think.
wait. Did you just hear that? Wait.
What was that? It's coming from back there.
It's right there. Hey.
What? From where?
The woods. Isn't it coming from the woods? The woods is over
I
there.
can. Yeah, I can hear it.
Dude.
Oh my God.
Another time? Dude, you gotta go check that out. Let's go. Here. Still recording, huh?
Yeah. Sorry.
Turn that off. Come on.
All right.
Come on. I'm serious, man. What? Will? Why must you insist you're recording?
Oh, cause I don't know. This could be like the Blair Witch Project. Come on.
Fine. Just don't get in the way of it. This is serious.
All right.
Ouch.
Ryan, you sure it was this way?
Yeah, sure. The scream came from like over there, dude.
Huh. All right, let's keep checking it out.
Yeah.
Ah. Careful, Ryan. Ryan, did you see that?
Wait, what's wrong?
It's right there. Oh, it was.
There's nothing there.
There's
You're
something
just
that.
seeing things.
Whatever.
Did you hear that, Barry?
Yeah, Barry. Barry?
Where'd Barry go?
Dude,
Where'd Barry go?
I have no idea. I mean, he's probably just kidding.
Yeah, dude. He's probably just messing with us. I'll go look up here.
All right. I mean, I don't think he's that far behind us. Oh my God! Oh my God!
Dude, oh my God.
Oh God!
Dude,
get it off! All right. Kill it!
Dude, watch out!
Kill
Watch
it!
out, dude.
Oh my God!